Hey guys, my name is Cody and today we're going to be going through the Australian Geographic's Eco Workshop Propeller Aircraft. So let's get right into it. First of all, let's check out the contents of the box. So first of all, we've got the tools and accessories, which includes all of the motors, the wheels, and also some stick pads and the propeller itself. We've got the instructions, which I will be implementing into this video to help us step by step do this together. So we've got the materials here, what's included, step-by-step process, and we should be able to get this all done. And then we've got the wood parts as well, which is just one board. So this should be a pretty quick process. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I just took out the pieces out of the board. So now what we're going to need is just these three pieces for the first part. And what we're going to want to do is just piece them in at the front here. This is where the motor is going to go. So that's what we're going to want to get first, is the motor. We're just going to push it in from the bottom. Push it through just a little bit more. Cool. Just like that. Now we're just going to chuck the propeller on it. Awesome, just like that. Make sure it's not hitting anything, which is good. And then we've also got a cap in this bag for the propeller itself. So I'm just going to get that out and then chuck it on top of the propeller here. So let's just grab it out of the bag, chuck it here. Awesome, and it should just look like this. Now we're going to get onto the wiring. So what we're going to want is the wiring that's connected to the battery pack. So we're going to want the red one to actually be on this side and the black on this side, just like this. So I'm going to twist these first, make sure that the wires don't fray as I slowly twist it out. Like this. Awesome. Do that for the other one now. Nice. So that looks really uniform there. Awesome. So what we're going to do now is put it over like that. And then connect them. So I'll push up these flaps here, poke it through, wrap it around, and then I'm just going to twist the entire thing. That'll help me be able to twist it more efficiently. Nice, that's nice and tight there, and then just push it down again so it's nice and firmly placed and it won't come falling out. Then we're going to push this one up. Do the same thing. Awesome. And then I'm just going to push that down. And then it should just look like this. Now what we're going to want to do is grab out these pieces here, like this. And we're going to use them to stick onto the base of this battery pack. Awesome. Now we're just going to push it on there, just like this. Okay, so now what we want to do is next we're going to need to grab these pieces here and put them onto each wing. Cool. Now next what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to grab this long piece and then put it on top, slide it in. So far it should just look like this. Alright, so now next what we're going to want to do is start doing the back piece. So we're just going to put the back fin in for the plane. Awesome. And then now what we're going to want to do is grab these pieces here, swap these around, and then we're going to put them in like this. We're just going to build them first. Awesome. And now what we're going to want to do is put the big ones, these bigger ones at the front. Awesome, nicely firmly put in, and then the small ones in the back. Awesome, just like this. Awesome. And then we have these two pieces left over, which we're going to ignore for the moment. But we're going to grab out the axles, grab out our wheels, and then attach them on the back end. So I'm just going to push both of them through first. Awesome. So they both look pretty done. Awesome. And awesome. And this is how it should look. So I've just put the wires back so it's not in any harm's way of the propeller. So now what we're going to want to do is see how this thing goes. Chuck some batteries in. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to turn it on. We'll see it from a sideways scale. Oh, it's even moving without me touching it. Oh, it's just stopped. Alright, let's touch it. See how it goes. Awesome. Now let's turn it around and see how it goes. Awesome. Oh, oh. Is it gonna fall off the table? Oh, almost. Here we go. Yeah, pretty cool. Whoa. All right. Oh. Hey guys, and that was the Propeller Aircraft. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe and like the video for more content from the Eco Workshop Australian Geographic range and more. Thank you very much and goodbye.